Hey everyone! This video is all about the content and the fun stuff I'm sharing today. Questions about my personal life, family, or private matters, not gonna answer. Those comments off topic may be deleted. Let's keep the focus on the video and enjoy it together.
Okay, I'm in Siem Reap and I'm gonna show you what $15 a night gets you in Siem Reap. Now the reason I chose, I didn't really choose it, my taxi driver from the airport chose it for me, because the two hotels I had searched the internet for was on my phone, and my phone went dead, the battery went dead, I couldn't charge it. So I had to trust him. When I told him how much the hotel should be, between $8 and $10, he says, no sir, even at 15 you'll be struggling to get something nice. So he brought me here and it's $15 a night. You book in at 12 o'clock in the afternoon and you leave at 12 o'clock the next day. And it's a tuk-tuk ride to Siem Reap Pub Street. I could walk, because I walk further than that every day in the Philippines, but because I'm not familiar with the area, I might get a tuk-tuk. Now I've been here a day. I came yesterday, but it was late at night. It took me guys, from when I left, I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The bus was at 9 o'clock. It got there just after 8 o'clock in the evening. I was going to get a hotel, and this guy on the bus says, no sir, don't get the hotel. At the airport they have sleeping pods. I thought, oh great, that simplifies things. So anyway, I got to the airport and guess what? No pods. So I had to sit in the airport from 9 o'clock-ish till 20 to 7 the next morning. Then the plane was delayed an hour. When I got to Vietnam, the plane didn't leave for 8 hours. And I had no sleep, nowhere to sleep. You could just sit on a chair. And then when that plane come, that was delayed half an hour. And do you know how long it took from Vietnam? It took about 50 minutes to get to Cambodia from Vietnam. All in all, the trip took me about 32 hours. I mean, never again. Even though it would have cost me a lot more to go direct, I'm going to do it next time. I'm not stopping off in Vietnam. Straight back to wherever it is I'm going. Right, now the big news. Me and Mel are not together anymore. I think some of you knew that. That's one of the reasons I'm in Cambodia. However, it might not be for good. So, you know, if you want to wish me well and all the rest of it, great. But can I just say, that is all I will discuss with you. I'm taking the filter off now because I've got to be very clear. It's no good sending me a message saying, oh, I'm really sorry to hear you and Mel, but what about? It's not going to happen. I'm not answering any more questions, guys. And the good people out there will understand why the bad, well, not the bad ones, but the misjudged or probably unsubscribe or worse. I'll lose my support. But I can't fix that. I can't do anything about it. So anyway, let's have a look at the room. So here we are, we'll start with the bathroom. It has hot running water. It has, they give you a toothbrush, they give you a comb, they give you some soap, they give you free shampoo, and they give you a towel. The water is hot, well, hot-ish, it's not boiling hot, but you don't need it boiling hot. The toilet is brilliant, the power of the flush is brilliant, that works. I've never used one of them before, but I recommend it, they're very nice. So, somewhere to put your clothes if you're staying a long time. Please do not disturb. I didn't see that. I didn't go in here because I'm not going to be in long enough, hopefully. I think I'm going to do one more night. I've paid $30. That ends tomorrow. So I'll have to pay again. So it's pretty basic, guys. There's nothing out the window but a brick wall. It's dark, it's depressing. I want to kill myself, but I'll keep going because I'm not the Chris I was when I first came to Cambodia in 2015. In 2015 they didn't speak very good English. Now most of the young people with the internet and mobile phones speak quite good English. Not all, but some. So I'm going to bear with it, see what happens. So if you want to stay on my journey, guys, I have another channel called Brit in Cambodia. So if you go to that channel and support me on there as well, I would really appreciate it. Of course, likes, subscribe and share the videos would be great. And basically, obviously, it depends, but if you're not subscribed to the Cambodia account, then maybe one day I will shut down the other account because I'm surmising that my new revelation will make a lot of people not support the channel. And once that happens, the channel's probably going to be shut down. I'm not saying for sure, but I can't see the point in running two channels if, you know, there's no support. So I hope you've found the video interesting. The rule of thumb really is if you come to Cambodia, go direct, especially from the Philippines. Don't get, you know, other flights because it's a bit cheaper. You'll regret it, I think. So until the next one, guys, don't forget, subscribe to the Cambodian channel. Please support me on both. I really would appreciate it. It's called a Brit in Cambodia. It doesn't come up like a Brit in the Philippines. If you put a Brit in, it's normally the Philippines bit. And see where my future takes me. I'm no spring chicken anymore, guys. Let's see what happens. See you on the next one.